Channel Dara យិនម្ដងទៀតជា channel មួយដែលរៀនភាសាខ្មែរបាទសួស្តីម្ដងទៀតបាទ In the last few days I received comments through my YouTube channel that they want to learn some of sentence structure like a, there, for, if, something, anything, nothing, whatever, how to say in Khmer. That's a good question. I appreciate these comments very much, and today I'm very delighted to help you use that words in Khmer. Okay, just for your information, the, for, so no translation in Khmer, but for it has translation. But a and the is in English you use it for like preposition. Use it for like before noun, like a book. I like a book. What book do you like? The museum. So the or no translation in Khmer. For example, in English you say there is one book on the table. So there is a book on a table. So a here, no translation. Just to let you know that in this language, I mean Khmer language, in English you know that when you say there is a book, there is a book, referring to one book, a book, one book. But in Khmer, to make singular or plural, for singular you just mention the name of the items, the name of the item. But for plural, you just make number. For example, like 2 books. In English, you know it whether it is singular or plural because of s at the end of each word, right? Like 2 books. So s at the final letter of k, books, to make it plural. But in Khmer, no such things in this language. We just put number to make it plural. For example, I have 3 books. In Khmer we say ខ្ញុំមានសៀវភៅ3. So សៀវភៅ3, noun plus number to make it plural. Okay? So or the not really in this language. Okay? So just let you know how to say something or anything in Khmer or a. Example in English you say would you like to eat something? Would you like to eat something? អ្នកចង់ញ៉ាំអីទេ 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 or អ្នកចង់ញ៉ាំអ្វីទេ So something or anything, the translation is a. Okay, a. Nothing. How to say nothing in Khmer? I have nothing. In English say I have nothing today. We say អត់មានអីសោះ So nothing អត់មានអត់មានអីសោះ Nothing អត់អីសោះ So it depends on context you use a lot in this language. For example, if you are wandering around and people ask you a question, hey, what are you doing? What are you looking for? You can say nothing. Nothing. In English, say nothing. I mean, អត់អីហង In Khmer អត់អីផង See? អត់អីផង Nothing. So it depends on context when you use nothing in Khmer. How about whatever? Let me think about English sentence that you would use whatever. People can ask, what do you like to eat? Whatever. You can say whatever. In this context, in Khmer we say អីក៏បាន mean ញ៉ាំអីក៏បាន So អីក៏បាន mean whatever. អីក៏បាន អីក៏បាន So whatever is អីក៏បាន in Khmer. So hope this will help you. And the last one is for. Okay, the word for in English, for example, like for example. So in this case, for example, the word for is no translation. We just translate example. ឧទាហរណ៍ So the for is no translation in this sentence. But you can say this pen First pen, vice pen here. This pen is for writing, or this book is for writing. So to be plus 4, the translation is សម្រាប់ To be plus 4, the translation is សម្រាប់ So សម្រាប់ so this pen is for writing. ប៊ិចនេះសម្រាប់សរសេរ ប៊ិចនេះសម្រាប់សរសេរ Okay, you get it? សម្រាប់សរសេរ Another way to use for is I work for UN. So in this case, the word for, the translation is ឲ្យ So ខ្ញុំធ្វើការឲ្យ UN. ខ្ញុំធ្វើការឲ្យ UN. So I hope this short video will help you learn some little things in Khmer. So this matter a lot when you don't know how to use these little things like for, the, nothing, whatever, something, anything is hard. You are not going to speak Khmer, but this is something that you should learn. So thank you very much. I really appreciate all your comment on how you would like to learn, and I'm happy to make videos that help you learn. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.